Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor Mitchell from Dragon Rider Network, and today I'm here doing a review on a product that I received from the company USB Brando called the RE Wireless Mini Keyboard for your laptop or your computer. Big thanks to them for sending this out for a review. So anyway, let's get started. So this little keyboard is going to run you about $40 on their website, which I have in the links down below. So anyway, this is a keyboard that you just hook up to your computer, and it allows you to control your computer from a distance of about, I want to say about 15 to 20 feet away, using their controller that they have built into this that you plug into your computer. And then you can basically do like pretty much anything from browsing the web to showing a PowerPoint or doing anything of that nature. Let's start talking about what's really good about this product. What's really good about this product is that it is very, very small. It fits right into your pocket with absolutely no problem at all. It's very portable. You can just hold it right in your hand, and it's absolutely comfortable when you're trying to do all this kind of stuff that you would typically do with the computer, like typing or browsing. And what's also good about this product is that it includes a little trackpad right there. And basically what you can use this for is that you can actually use this like you would for a mouse. And what USB Brando actually emphasizes on their website is that you can use this in landscape or portrait to control it. So you can hold it like that, or you can hold it like that. It's pretty simple. This keyboard works with both PCs or Macs, which is very good, so that way you can have a cross-platform design. It's very good for presentations, so that way you can click right through, and it's also good for presentations for another thing that this keyboard includes, which is a laser. And believe me, I was having a lot of fun with this thing the very first few weeks I had it, and so you can just like go and just shine this pretty much anywhere. It's a ton of fun, but I need to warn you guys though, it will drain the battery life like crazy. Now, how is this keyboard not so great? Well, I have to admit that if you're doing a lot of gaming that involves a keyboard, this may not be the perfect solution for you. One, the keys are very small and they're not exactly quick responding when it comes to gaming. And also, it's just not a comfortable keyboard to be gaming on a lot. In fact, one other thing that I really have to point out to them is that the keys don't feel exactly as natural as you might expect them to, because since they're really only in this aligned format where they're very bricky, they're not exactly like in the type of format where you could actually get used to it as quickly like you would on a cell phone or a keyboard. But overall though, I would definitely have to recommend you guys get one of these because they are really cool, incredibly useful, and if nothing else, if you enjoy lasers, they are very fun. So anyway guys, that's pretty much my entire review of the USB Brando RE Mini Keyboard. Be sure to check them out. Big thanks to them again for sending this out for a review. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech content like this. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and be sure to check out the website, DragonRiderNetwork.com. Anyway guys, I will catch you at the next video. Talk to you then.